वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 6 का इंग्लिश सेमेस्टर 2 फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज, इसमें यूनिट 2 है बर्ड्स आइज व्यू लुकिंग मोर क्लोजली एट एनिमल्स। ठीक है, तो एक्टिविटी 1 में दिस यूनिट इज अबाउट लुकिंग मोर केयरफुली एट एनिमल्स, लुक केयरफुली एट द पिक्चर। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, लिस्ट एज मैनी things as you can. The answer is, this is an elusive pictures. It is a picture of a well complex mother hummingbird. It is invisible by most passerby. The bird is in the nest and probably guarding her young ones. She is feeling a little uncomfortable for having invaded her privacy. The other things we find in this picture are tree branches, nest, etc. Question 2 है, there is an animals hiding in the picture. What kind of animal is it? The answer is, we find a hummingbird hiding in the picture. Activity 2 है, in unit 1 यू लुक्ड एट दिस पिक्चर एज आर्ट। ठीक है, तो ये पैराग्राफ के डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस देख लेते। ठीक है, एक्टिविटी 2 के, लुक क्लोजली एट द पिक्चर गिवन अबोव, रीड द टेक्स्ट बिसाइड इट एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी एनिमल्स आर हाइडिंग इन द पिक्चर, नेम देम। द आंसर इज 6 एनिमल्स आर हाइडिंग इन द पिक्चर. दे आर अ वाइल्ड डॉग, अ डियर, अ वुल्फ, अ टाइगर, अ birdlet, horse and an elephant. Question 2 है, how many strange faces are hiding in the picture, pick them out and name them. The answer is, about 10 human faces are hiding in the picture. Some of them are women with long hair and some men. One man is with mustache. Question 3 है, when was the picture published which are not hidden bird? The answer is, the picture was published long ago in 1872. 3 passengers pigeons are not hidden birds. Question 4 है, what is the recent life status of passenger pigeon? The answer is, passenger pigeons were once the most common birds on the planet. These birds are no longer found in the real world. They are extinct. Question 5 है, what are the reason of extinction of passenger pigeon? The answer is, loss of forest and too much hunting caused passenger pigeons to die out. They are extinct today. Question 6 है, what do you know about Martha? The answer is, Martha was the last known passenger pigeon. Martha died in a zoo in America in 1914. Page number 22, activity 4. Observe the 4 types of snake given above in the 4 picture. Observe their color preciously. You must describe the color of a snake. ठीक है, तो पैराग्राफ का डायरेक्ट हम क्वेश्चंस देख लेते। स्नेक 1, पिक्चर 1। तो ये पिक्चर 1 है, तो इसका आंसर्स हम लिखते हैं। द आंसर इज, दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ स्कारलेट किंग स्नेक. Normally it is 14-20 inches in length. It has head with a black lines across the posterior portion of the parietals. It has 20 to 22 red rings alternating with the yellow and black. It always has a red snout with the yellow ring being separated from the red rings by black. The red, yellow and black ringed pattern normally crosses the belly. Snake 2, picture 2. तो ये picture 2 है, इसका आंसर्स है, this is the image of scarlet snake. The coloration and patterning is most beautiful among all snakes. It has alternating band of red, black and yellow in which red touches black but not yellow. The bands across the back do not extend across the belly. There is a well-known rhymes for the differences between venomous coral snake and non-venomous king scarlet snake. Scarlet snakes, red on black, friend of Jack red on yellow, kill a fellow, it is red. Snake third है, picture number 3. The answer is, this is a Texas coral snake. It is highly venomous. It has black, yellow and red rings around its body. The yellow rings are very thin compared to the black and red rings. The red rings of Texas coral snake have scattered black speckles in them. The last several inches of the tail of the Texas coral snake contain several rings of black and yellow. Without the red rings, the red and yellow bands touch the coral snake's head or nose is typically black. Texas coral snakes have small fixed fangs in the front of their mouth. Snake number 4, picture number 4. The answer is, this is the image of red milk snake. A medium sized snake is nearly 40 inches. The dorsal surface of the snake is characterized by black border, red saddles with alternating smaller blotches of the same color located laterally. The interval between the saddles are white cream, yellowish or grey in color. The belly is white with large rectangular marking arranged irregularly or in a checkerboard fashion. The head has various marking of red border by black on top. The first saddle marking on the body is not connected to the head pattern. Page number 23, activity 6. The highly venomous snake shown in the snake picture is a Texas coral snake. तो ये पैराग्राफ के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. आंसर द अबो, रीड द अबो गिवन डिस्क्रिप्शन केयरफुली एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. First question, give the synonyms word for venomous. The answer is, synonyms word for venomous is poisonous, poisonous. Question second, describe the ring on the body of Texas coral snake. The answer is, Texas coral snakes have ring of black, yellow and red around their bodies. Question 3, give details about the last several inches of the Texas coral snake. The answer is, the last several inches of the tail of the Texas coral snake contain several rings of black and yellow without red rings. Page number 24, question 4, how are the bands that touch the coral snake's head? The answer is, the red and yellow bands touch the coral snake's head or nose is typically black. Question 5, describe the fangs of the Texas coral snake. The answer is, Texas coral snakes have small fixed fangs in front of their mouth. Activity 7, study the picture closely and find out the point of differences between them. Pics 1, Pics 2. Loggerhead sea turtle, green sea turtle. The loggerhead sea turtle is different from the green sea turtle in 4 ways. How? The answer is, the loggerhead sea turtle has a large head with blunt jaw, while the head of the green sea turtle is lizard-like with a hooked beak and toothless jaw. Second, the carapace of the loggerhead sea turtle is a reddish brown color, while the carapace of the green sea turtle is smooth grey, green, brown and or black. Page number 25, activity 8, collect the details of artwork and write about it in about 50 words browsing its information on internet. The answer is, the artwork is a medium size burrowing nocturnal mammals native to Africa. It is the only living species of the order Tubulidenta, although other prehistoric species and genera of Tubulidentata are known It has a long pig-like snout which is used to sniff out food. Activity 9. Read the following text and answer the question given below it. The lion and the mouse. ठीक है, तो पैराग्राफ के डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. पेज नंबर 26. Question 1. What irritated the lion? The answer is the mouse irritated the lion when he was asleep. Second question. What happened when the lion was ready to bite the mouse in half? The answer is the mouse said to the lion to let him go because someday when the lion needed help, the mouse could help him. Question 3. What made the lion laugh out loud? The answer is the mouse pleaded to the lion to let him go as he would be of some help to him someday. The proposal plea of the mouse seemed so funny to the lion that the lion did not take it seriously. Question 4. What made the angry lion let the mouse go? The answer is the laughing stopped lion's feeling, so he let the mouse go. Question 5. What happened to the lion one day? The answer is one day the lion was trapped in the trap of some hunter. He could not manage to break off those strong ropes. Question 6. How did the mouse help the trapped lion? How was the lion freed from the trap? The answer is the mouse whom the lion had let go earlier come to the help of the lion. The mouse bit off the strong rope of the trap and let the lion be free. Activity 10. The word strong has different meaning in different context. Study the example and write as many meaning of strong as you can, giving different contexts. Example, the rope were strong. Page number 27. Here the meaning of strong is not easy to be cut or broken. First, the answer is first point, having physical power of animal etc. Rahul isn't strong swimmer, he could not swim well. Second, having great power of a natural or physical force. Stay indoor when there is a strong wind. Third point, having powerful effect on the body or mind. He was given a strong drug for his unbearable. Fourth, having power over people, having lot of power or influence. Shamlal is a strong leader. Second, the time we have a strong government. Fifth, hard to resist defeat attack. First point, it was very difficult to defeat that strong team. The temptation to tell her everything was very strong. Write a paragraph on the snake in my garden in about 200 words. Snakes are elongated, legless, carnivorous reptiles. There are many families and species of snake. Snakes are found almost in every part of the world. They range in size from very small to very large. Snakes are beautiful animals and nothing compares to their graceful, lithe movement or the feel of their smooth, dry scale. Snakes don't have fur. Many snakes only need to be fed once or twice a month. Snakes require specific living condition and food in order to thrive. Snakes shed their skin approximately every 3 months. During this time, snakes may need extra water. In some part of the world, some snakes are kept as pet. Page number 28. Page number 28, question 2. Prepare a report about your visit to a zoo in about 150 words. A zoo is a place where many animals are bird life. They live in the closed area in the zoo and the visitors can see the animals from outside of the spaces. There are people who take care of the zoo, provide the animals and birds with the best care. The authorities of the zoo make sure that the animals or the visitors of the zoo are not harmed in any way. The animal are regularly provided with nutritious and healthy food. The word zoo is derived from the zoological garden or zoological park. Authorities make sure that visitors don't offer any edibles to the animals or birds. The edibles may harm the animals, causing them to fall sick. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये यूनिट यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.